Take a ride in the 2016 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, rear all-season, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.